All right, this is Bruce for FX Coins, taking a long-term view on Bitcoin. So we could see here that there's a breakout back in November 24 of this long-term basing pattern, cup with handle. Reached this new high here, pulled back to support at the 50 moving average orange line. You could see that happened over here as well. And now, or lately, that line has been aligned with this trend line established following the April swing low, marked C point here. There's a rising parallel channel put in here, and you can see how the center line has been support, resistance, 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 resistance. Something to keep in mind for the future. But what is interesting here is we bounced off the 50 here, and then the latest pullback bounced off the 20 purple moving average. And we have a breakout on the weekly to a 3-week high. And if this week ends above the 3-week high of 113,647, then there's a breakout of that 2-week high. And if it closes above last week's high of 113,392, then it confirms that breakout on a weekly basis. Nevertheless, this is a bullish indication because we have an increase in the slope showing improving momentum, and therefore that increases the potential of eventually hitting the center line again, and therefore these higher targets become much more likely to be reached potentially. The first one being around 129,323, but that will probably be easily exceeded because there's a little bit confluence up here around the 133, 140 to 136, 170 price zone, and that's the completion of this large ABCD pattern and the 223.6% extension of this earlier correction back here, this long-term extension from the 2021 highs. So it looks like we've got bullish indications on Bitcoin and potential for new high in the relatively near future, next month or two. All right, that is it for Bitcoin. Take care.